Alright, gonna start the day off with a Heroes NFL 2008 football. This is for Cowboys fan. What's going on, buddy? Tommy? Owed you this Heroes, man. Just came in, grab the top one. We're gonna go ahead and do it for you. 2008 Heroes. 24 packages. 8 cards per pack. Guaranteed 101 per box. Or not. Uh-oh. We've been sitting in the pack for a while. They're sticking a little bit. AP. Okay. I'll call out the serial numbers, and if I see some rookies, I think they got a lot of variations in this stuff. Yeah, like Marshawn. Okay. Can't remember if it's 08 or 09, but I think it's 09. They were the guitar guys were signing on card. Oh, there's a rookie, Ray Rice, Wes Welker, 2 guitar dudes. Yeah, these cards have got a lot of gloss on them, so they like the what is it, Upper Deck basketball. If they sit in the pack too long, they'll kind of stick a little bit. Mario Manningham to 350. I'm just rambling. Tell me to shut up. Okay. Joseph. I-Die. Jim Brown. Yeah, that's one card. 350. Tony Aroma. Something in here. It's numbered to 25. Oh, cool. Barry Sanders jersey, gold version. 14 of 25. Cool card. Okay, put those there. Base LT. Oh, here's an autograph. Tashard Choice on card. Number to 250. I know Dallas is getting hammered this year, but I wonder if the Shard's doing anything. Probably not yet, but Marion, Felix, and him, they were supposed to be a pretty good crew. John Elway. Jackie Joyner Kersey. Peyton Manning. Another one numbered to 35. That's weird. I wonder why the relics are so short printed. Number to 35, David Garrard. Devin Hester. Gale Sayers. I hate when they stick like that. It's irritating. Greg Jennings, Barry Sanders, and a 350, Mel Blount. The ones that are sticking are just all, they're the base cards anyway. The last card seems to be pretty loose. DeMarcus Ware. And base. Eli. Here's one numbered to 125. Jay Lehman. Okay. Base. Number to 350, Tony Romo again. What's up?
What's up?
Base. Base. I think we got all the hits. I can't remember if it's 2 autographs. Nope, we got one more autograph somewhere. Okay. Number to 350, Ken Anderson. Braylon Edwards. Number to 350, Marshawn. Number to 125, Ken Stabler. Alright, hopefully this is an autograph. But it's not. That box is empty. It says 2 autographs and jersey cards in every box. 2 autographs and jerseys. We got 2 jerseys, only 1 autograph. They're on cards, so it's all hard to see. And plus the cards were sticking, so I'm going to have to go back through and make sure I didn't pass it. Make sure it wasn't stuck to one. Sorry about this. There was one that was stuck. Make sure they might have shorted you one. I hadn't opened this in forever. I can't remember if it was a combination and they gave you an extra jersey, or it was supposed to be 4 hits. I can't remember if it was 1 autograph, 1 jersey, and they just threw you an extra jersey. Alright. Sorry about this, Tommy. I'm just verifying that he did not miss in your autograph. Because I can't remember, man. I'm just going to verify there wasn't one stuck to another card somewhere. I'm pretty sure there wasn't. And last stack. There's 1 card. Yeah, that's what I thought, man. I don't know if this box, like I said, I have to check the odds on that, but it's 2 autograph on average and jersey cards. So I don't know if it means the combination of the 2. You got our short choice and 2 short printed jerseys. And these were the inserts. And none of these are autographed. So I'm not sure, man. But we'll find out. If so, I'll send you one of these packs too, and they'll take care of it for you, man. But I appreciate it. Sorry for the long video. Alright, see ya.